Hello everyone, I'm Anwar and I'm back again. Today our topic is a bit similar to the topic we learned. Just wait a second. Wait a minute. Topic is ICMP. The full form of ICMP is Internet Control. Why my writing is so dirty? Sorry, it's too dirty. ICMP. Internet Control Messaging Protocol. So what this basically is, like here we learn how two machines are going to communicate between each other. What that communication is called, it's known as ping. If you want two machines to communicate each other, we'll simply say in networking field that ping, you have to do ping between these two machines. Okay. So what ping means? Ping has two classifications, which is one of them is echo request, and second is echo reply. And then further in echo request, we have source IP. We learn all these things today only. Source IP. This is destination IP. In echo reply also we have source IP and destination IP. So let's learn in an example. Suppose we have two machines here, the same. Machine A and machine B. I mean, connected to machine B. The IPs are the same. 199.1.2.1 and 199.1.2.0. Now, if you want to communicate from machine A to machine B, if machine A wants to communicate with machine B, we'll go to the CMD of machine A. CMD of machine A. We write ping 199.1.2.3. Remember to write the IP, not the NID, because we have configured the IP when we always write the IP when we want to communicate with two machines, in between two machines. We never write the NID, okay? So when we write ping 192.199.1.2.3, two things will be going with here. Those are, when we'll enter this, one will be source IP and what will be destination IP. The source IP is 199.1.2.1 and the destination IP is 199.1.2.3. And why is that so? Because we are pinging from machine A, and the source IP is going the IP of its own. Its own IP is going as source IP, and destination IP is 199.1.2.3 because we have to communicate with machine B. And as we already configured the IPs and RNIDs are same, so the reply in machine A will come with my cursor. The reply from machine B will come, in A, when it will get pinged. Reply from, in the output, it won't be written reply from machine B. It will be written reply from 199.1.2.3. This whole line will come 4 times. Of course, it won't show like this. It will be the whole line. It will come 4 times when the communication is full between these 2 machines. Wait. The one we sent here was echo request. I'll explain it. And the one we got here is echo reply. Now let me explain this. Suppose in echo request, this is our echo request and this is our echo reply. Suppose my father calls me and he says, Swaleha, bring me a glass of water. So this is echo request. Someone is requesting me, someone is calling my name. And when I will be bringing a glass of water, I will say, I'm bringing your water. So it will be echo reply because I'm replying and 2 people are communicating. And if we say it in the networking form, it will be 2 machines are communicating. Machine A says hi. He pings 199.1.2.3 and inside the message is hi. And then machine B will reply, hello. That will be called as echo reply. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic.